Hi everyone. So today we have this Dell laptop. This is a latitude e7240. So for this one, today I will show how to replace the keyboard because it's not that straightforward. So first of all, you need to come to the back of it and you need to take the battery. So here you go. And afterwards, under this plastic here, sometimes it's glued. Mine is not glued anymore, but you can take this plastic cover over here, just flip it, and here you have the ribbon cables that goes to the keyboard. So you just lift up here the ribbon cable, and then for this one the same. You can take them with hand, but usually I use the tweezers. So this is to disconnect the keyboard itself, not to forget. And then you will have a couple of screws actually here inside of this main part. So to take this cover, you just need to take two screws, one in each side. This is a Phillips screws. So these ones are the PH0, I think it's the small ones. So just unscrew them, and afterwards you just slide the cover down to yourself and it should come out, and then you lift it. So here you have it. And then regarding the keyboards, here I believe you just have two screws. So you will be able to see here in the plastic shell, you'll see here some K. So you have here one and you have here another one. So K from keyboard, I guess. That was the idea. So you only have these two screws. These ones as well are Phillips screw. And you just take these two. And these ones are a bit longer ones than the previous one. So keep them separated. So, and you take these two, and that's it. Now what we need to do is just flip around the laptop and you open, and then here under this part here where you have the power button and the volume buttons, so you will need to take this cover, but this cover actually it's not that hard to take. You just use some pick and you should be able to take it. So you can start from the left side here and just go under it, and you can see if it's already moving. Just try to twist a bit like this or the other side, and you can see I flip it and it should come out. So then you will be able to grab it by hand and you just shake it a little bit and it should come out everywhere. So, and that's it, comes out this small cover. And here you will have three screws, here, here and here. So you take these three as well, Phillips screws, and they are with the cover kind of whitish, so they are different than the previous ones. And it's good because you will not mistake with the other ones, because here as well the color of where you put them, it's the same, this kind of silver one. So, and okay, and after that you just lift it and pull it yourself. And when pulling to yourself, because you can see here in the bottom, these parts are the ones that flips under here. For myself here I have this button that doesn't work so well, so maybe I will make a video just how to put this back on if I manage. So let's see. So basically this is it, how you take the keyboard out. So, and to put it back you just follow the opposite steps. So as you can see, this is not so hard. It's just few screws, and actually you should be able to take it like in a few minutes. Should should not take very long, and it's pretty easy. So I hope this helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.